Hello investors, good early morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. This is the Morning Stir Market and Resource Rundown for Thursday, September 13th. Stocks were modestly positive across the board Wednesday with the FOMC announcement pending today. Dow futures peaked at 13,375, new higher highs before backing off and closing positive 10 points on the day. The broad market E-mini S&P finished right near the highs at the 1440 mark. Prices held the early August 1425 highs this week, which now acts as support, and we also took out the peak from last Friday. Tech stocks were in the news with the Apple iPhone announcement. The E-mini Nasdaq finished up 7 points on the day, but hit the ceiling at 2,800 for the second consecutive session, and couldn't. Sorry, I choked. Fudge. All right, let's go. Sorry, my bad. All right, 4, 3. Hello investors, good early morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. This is the Morning Stir Market and Resource Rundown for Thursday, September 13th. Stocks were modestly positive across the board Wednesday as the FOMC announcement is pending today. Dow futures peaked at 13,375 with new higher highs before backing off and closing positive 10 points on the day. The broad market E-mini S&P finished right near the new highs at the 1440 mark. Prices held the early August 1425 highs this week, which now acts as support, and we took out the highs from last Friday. Tech stocks were in the news with the Apple iPhone announcement. The E-mini Nasdaq was up 7 points on the day, but hit a ceiling at 2,800 for the second consecutive session and couldn't push through that. Long bonds were much lower. They were down over a point yesterday. We pushed below that 148.10 for the lowest point since August 22nd, finished below 147.5. Gold hit new 6-month highs to finish, but did finish down $1.50 on the day at 1733.50. Silver peaked at 34.15, but did finish negative at 33.30. Crude oil rallied above 98 during the session, but closed down 15 cents at 97. Quiet trade 2 days in a row sets up for another possible upside attack on the trading range between 95 and 98 that's been established since August 16th. With multi-month highs in stocks and metals Wednesday, where do the markets stand this morning ahead of the FOMC announcement? The euro is maintaining gains above 129 highs last night, pushed to 129.41 to pressure the dollar down even more and maintain below that $80 level. Metals are quiet. Gold's up about $2 or $3 right now, $17.35 or so, which is $15 below the $17.50 peak from Wednesday. Silver's positive 3 or 4 cents, maintaining around the $33.25. The Treasury decline has bounced a little bit with bonds up about 10 ticks, but still solidly below 148, 147.75 with the Fed news out today. The yield on the 10-year note stands at 173. Crude oil is 25 cents higher at 97.25 after reaching 98 resistance area yesterday. Triple-digit oil prices are within striking distance if we can break out of this sideways channel that we've mentioned earlier and push above 98 one more time. As we get started this morning on Thursday, the E-mini is down. The E-mini S&P is down 2 points at 1437 with a tight 4-point range, high to low range since yesterday afternoon. Dow futures are down 20, Nasdaq futures are down 6 points with an hour to go before the stock market open. To wrap up this morning, gold's up $2, crude's a quarter higher, U.S. rates are steady, the dollar's lower, stock index futures are off a tiny bit with the S&P at 1437 and the Dow futures are down 20 here at the CME Group. Please visit our sponsors at morningmarketstir.com for more information on commodities, futures, and options. See you early Friday morning for the Stir in the Markets to set up your trading day. From the CME Group trading floor, it all comes back to commodities.